Hello, 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 everybody. So, we are squeezing every penny out of this turkey from Thanksgiving. So, we are making broth. We'll be making turkey noodle soup. I have right there some turkey stew. We already have a video of that. So, we're putting all of our bones everything. The skin, the nose, the wings, everything in this pot. I already did a batch with the other half of the turkey. So there's a clip from that one ending this one, if that makes sense. I'm going to put some carrot, celery, onion, the onion ends, garlic, got more celery. I'm going to wash my hands. We are going to add bay leaf. We are going to add about 2 tablespoons, 1, 2 of apple cider vinegar, and that just pulls all the goodness out of the bones for a nice rich bone broth. We're going to add water. We are going to add about 10 peppercorns. If I can open them. About so. And we're going to add some salt. Piece of that box again. Get some more water. Inhaled the dishwasher steam. That wasn't pleasant. You want to cover everything with water. Turn it on medium-low. And if you have more bones than this, like I said, I already did half of the turkey. You could use your big roaster pan. Totally cover it. And I'm going to let this go for 48 hours. So I've taken the meat that I have left. I have my turkey stew. I have my turkey noodle soup already done. So I have all this meat left. And I'm going to put it in the freezer until this is done. So we will come back when this is done and we will can it up and we will do some broth and we'll do some turkey and broth. So I will see you in 48. Okay, so we have our broth done. And this is the first batch of 2 pots of turkey bone broth. We're going to turn this one into soup. This bowl will not hold all of it. But we'll strain as much as we can in there. It's a pretty broth. Hopefully it's tasty. Let's see. See what we have here. Just need some salt. We can do that when we do our soup. So, yeah, you will see this video clip in two videos, the broth video and the turkey soup video. So if you have any questions, let me know down below.